Hi, today I want to talk about how to modify your sound. Here's a cup mute. And a lot of times people think you put a mute in to make it softer. You make it you modify the sound. So here's the sound. Again, I'm not a very good trumpet player. Now I'll put the modifier in. Let's see how it sounds now. So that's how you can modify a sound on a trumpet. Get a mute. This one here is a cut mute, but they got straight mutes, they got harmon mutes, they got a bunch of other type of mutes as well. And if you're not a really good player like I am, it kind of hides a few sins. Rock and Roll, 2012.